Hello and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investors Channel. My name is Sensei Crypto and I will be doing the opening bell for everyone today. So welcome everybody. Hello and welcome. Sorry, we had some the voice was coming through again, but yes, welcome everyone. Let's have a look at the markets today. Let's see where we are before the bell goes. We've got 9 minutes until the bell. It'll be interesting to see where the session goes. I do believe this week will end lower than we did when we closed yesterday. So let's get straight into it, see what trades there are in the market, see what is pumping, what is dumping, and let's see if there's anything we can take any opportunities we can take in the market. Do let me know anything you want me to go through. I'm here to keep the family here together, answer your questions, do any requests you'd like to see. So welcome everyone, welcome. If you're here, do hit the like button. Please do remember we do have that giveaway still going on. You can access that on my website, you can access it on Martyn's website. You can get a magic number from the stream on Sunday. The winner will be picked on Sunday. But welcome everyone. We'll have a look at SBC as well. We did have a trade yesterday, but we got stopped out at a 1% loss. But yes, let's get straight into it. It is a very nice sunny day in England today. So apologies if I am darker, because it is very sunny in this room at the moment. Okay, so this is the US 500, this is the pre-market. We can see that we're actually up 0.2% today, so we are continuing the rally. We have broken through some resistance. We'll see where the market opens in about 8 minutes. We can bring your comments on the screen, see how everyone's doing this morning. Say hello if you're here. We'll also look at the breakfast bar, so do post your pictures there. We'll have a look at that soon. So, Faith, hello. George was also here. Faith, what do you guys expect today? I expect... we'll have a look at the charts and then I'll say what I expect. But we'll see how the market opens. I expect the week to end down. I'm not sure about today. Wade Van Essen, does crypto ADA have much of a future? Yes, I do think it has a future, but I also think we'll have a downswing before we do head any higher. You just need to be prepared for the coin ADA to go down another 40%. Faith, well, is it way more advanced than the other altcoins? Well, is it? Well, it is. Yeah, it is. ADA is one of the top coins, I'd say. Henrik, Kyle, Tyrol. Hello there, everyone. Mike is here. Hello, and Martyn Lucas is happy about Coca-Cola. So that must mean it's up pre-market. So let's have a look. So the US 500 is up. We're up 0.16%. We can have a look at Coca-Cola. Pre-market, it is up 1.7%. This is what we've been saying. We have taken a position on Coca-Cola. This is the first level of DCA that, in my opinion, and we have seen a bounce now. So it'll be interesting how it opens. It is still going up. It's now up 1.91%. Let's see what else is the top gainer in the extended session. Rivian's up 2.7%. Palantir is up another 2.5%. SBC is up 2%. Coca-Cola is up the next highest, which is up nearly 2%. We've also got Fiverr. We have been moving more into defensives because of the current situation. We will bring you any breaking news if it comes to us. I am having a look at the news. So welcome in everyone. Please hit the like button if you're here. Let me know you're here. Please do put your questions in the chat and we'll answer them. We have about 5 minutes until the bell goes. Welcome to Martyn Lucas. He's in the chat. I will do a Buffett. Never need to sell now. Bought a great price. Well over $1,000 a year on dividends alone. I have 18,000 of Coca-Cola. Congratulations, Martyn. He has gone heavy into Coca-Cola. We wish him the best of luck. It is, in my opinion, I mean, I don't think you should go all into anything, but I think defensive is the time for it now. Mike says, I bought a few shares of Coca-Cola this morning. Good luck to you, Mike. Faye says autocorrect, and Mike says, wow, Martyn. Yes, Martyn has gone very heavy into Coca-Cola. We wish him the best of luck. So the Euro 50s today is up 1.26%, which is quite extraordinary. We are going to have a look at Palantir. It is approaching that $19 we're expecting to hit this week. If the momentum continues, that's the first level of an area maybe to trim off. We do also have Rocket Lab, which is up 1.5% in the pre-market. We'll also have a look at crypto before the bell goes. We can have a look at Bitcoin, which is down today, 0.48%. We've got Ethereum, which we took our profits from on our short yesterday. There is a longer term short that is now down 0.15%. ADA, as some people have suggested in the chat, is now down 0.5%. If we have another look at ADA chart, where it has all the data, something like this, we can see that the next level for ADA is the 0.17 cent. I do think we're going to come down there. In percentage terms, that is around another 30% move down, so everyone needs to be prepared for that. I do believe we're going to hit that level, and that's going to be my first level. I don't own any ADA currently, but that's will be the level where I start my first purchases of Cardano. XRP is probably down today as well. XRP is down 1.3%. We have broken the support. We'll probably see a 40-cent XRP. That is going to mean we come down around 20%. So crypto is probably going to come down further. Do be prepared for a 30-cent XRP. My first level, I'm going to buy more XRP, even though I have loads. It's going to be 40 cents, then it's going to be 30 cents. We will look into crypto buys the next time we have a capitulation. I will have cash ready to buy the crypto market. Not the whole market, but the coins I like. Let's have a look at the comments. We have Faith saying Cola or Cola Light or Zero. Personally, I do like the normal Coca-Cola. That is my favourite. But Coke Zero is also nice. I don't like Diet Coke. Yeah. We have about a minute and a half until the bell goes, so I will get ready with the minute counter as soon as I see the clock turn to 29, which is now. So we have 1 minute to go until the bell. We have 1 minute to go to the bell. Good luck all. Seconds until the bell. Let's see how we open. This is the S&P chart. I'm waiting to see how we do. Are we going to break this resistance at 4336? It seems like we will in about 15 seconds. We've got 5 seconds until the bell goes. 5, 3, 2, 1. That is the bell. We're also going to have a look at the breakfast bar, if anyone has posted anything into that, but we'll do that in a second. There we go, that's a nice mug there. Okay, let's get rid of the timer and let's have a look at how the stocks are performing as the bell has been rung. We are in the opening bell. The trading session has started. The S&P is up 0.2%. We have broken the resistance. Are we going to hold the resistance? Are we going to break through? The next target, if we break this level, which it seems like we're doing, is another 1.3% upside for the S&P to fill this gap. but we need to see if we close this candle above this resistance today. So in the closing bell, do join me. This is important. It doesn't mean anything if we're above it now, but if we close the daily candle above this level here tonight in the closing bell, then our sentiment changes and we flip more bullish. If we do not hold this level and we come down, then this will be bearish, and I expect a different target. We'll have to keep an eye on the S&P today. This level really does tell me that this week is going to be bullish, if the coming weeks are going to be bullish. It just depends if we can get above the 618. And if anyone's wondering where I get that from, let's see if this is properly lined up. I think it was slightly off, but it's basically the same resistance as well. So it's a resistance and a level of the 618, but we can get rid of the Fibonacci and we just look at this short-term resistance here. If we get above it, then I do expect us to go to the heart line of this parallel channel we've been following. If not, I think we'll come back to this support around 4,280. So the S&P is going up. We're up 0.2% in the opening bell. Let's see what our biggest gainers on my watch list are. If there's any I don't call out, please do let me know and I can add it to my watch list. We've got Rivian up 2.34%. Seems like it's regaining some support. We've got SBC up 2.29% at 1.57. We've got Lyft up 2%. We've got AMC up 1.5%. We've got Fiverr up 2.2%. Coca-Cola is up. It is heading up. It is up 2.7%. You look at this on the 5-minute candle and look at that gap up. It's right above the resistance now. So what we want to do is hold that level and not fall down any further. We'll keep a close eye on that, but that is great. From the bottom where Martyn has been buying, up around 5%. Baba is up 1.67%. I'm not interested. Pinterest, I'm not interested. Up 1.5%. We've then got Rocket Lab up 1.7%. There was that resistance there. We can see it sort of bottomed out, and now we're moving up. We're expected to close that gap at $5. That might be an area to take some profits. Tilray is up 1.23%. I'm not interested in Tilray. We actually have a gap on Tilray that should be filled around 170. Euro 50 is up 1.37%, the Germany 30 is up 1.17%, and GME is up 0.55%, AMC is down 1.32%, not interesting. Palantir is up 1%, it is selling off a little bit since the open, but from yesterday's price we are up 1.6%. Mullen is up 0.585%, Snapchat's up 0.93%, ARK Invest is up 0.77%, Lucid is up 1.5%, we don't like Lucid. The Nasdaq is up 0.5%, Shopify is up 0.64%, MicroStrategy is flat, McDonald's is also up 0.63%, Berkshire Hathaway is up 0.36%. So Martyn is beating the market, and he is also beating Berkshire Hathaway. We have Corsair Gaming, which is up 1%, Affirm down 0.3%, Robinhood up 0.3%, Amazon up 0.47%. I don't expect that rally to last. We've got the S&P up 0.24%. It is continuing its gains. It seems like it's broken its resistance now. Google's up 0.2%, Meta's up 0.5%. I received my Meta Quest 3 today. Excited to try that out. We then have Microsoft is flat, Apple is down slightly, the DXY is down. We're expecting the DXY to cool off for a week or two and then carry on going up. Tesla is also up 0.25% or a bit more than that. J&J is flat, Disney is not up 0.2%. Netflix is down slightly, PayPal is down slightly, Coinbase is down 0.64%, and Etsy is flat on the day. So nothing is Coca-Cola is continuing to hold this level. It's very important. We would expect it to sell off right now, but it's holding the level, which we want to see. Let's have a look at the breakfast lounge. Breakfast bar, sorry, do post what you like in there and we will share it live on the show. We have some comments from Mike here. We have today, October the 10th, Mike has posted his amazing cup, her first year anniversary, his silver coin over there, and you can see He's watching it on his laptop, and my face is in that corner over there. So welcome to you, Mike. He did post one yesterday we didn't cover. I do like the look of this coin. Congratulations. Mike is happy it's payday. And we do have anyone can post there, but thank you, Mike, for continuing to support the Discord, and thanks for sharing pictures of your mug. So that is there. Okay, let's have a look at Twitter. I did see Martyn posted his Robinhood link, so if you are in the US and you haven't signed up to Robinhood, please do use the link. It will support the stream, and you get at least $5 in other stocks. So that's, I'll give you Martyn's Twitter's link there. And this was his trade from yesterday. As we can see, he sold Palantir at the top and bought Coca-Cola at the bottom, $52. We're now sitting at around $54 for Coca-Cola. So as you can see, that's been a great trade. We do like keeping up to date, see what Martyn is doing with his portfolio while he's on holiday. Let's have a look at the comments. A few things have come through. Let's see. Sounds like a tap out WWF bell. Thank you, Jordan, for joining us. Only have 10 shares of Coca-Cola. 10 shares of Coca-Cola is $500, over 500, around $540. That is a lot of money. SBCE barcoding, we'll have a look at that. Thank you for sharing that, Martyn. Morning, family. Good morning to Queen of Self-Braiding. Good afternoon, family, says Craig. Good evening to you. The Queen of Self-Braiding is asking Martyn something. Hello, Queen. Hello, Craig. Sensei, see Discord message. I'll have a look now. That's Martyn's link for Twitter. Do follow him there. Can hear the roosters in the background. Yes. I hope it brings an element of nature to the stream. Hopefully it's not too loud. Let me know if it's too annoying and I can sort that out. Let's have a look at the Discord message Martyn says. Yes, I will be bringing you guys some more information on the screen. I will hopefully do that for you in the closing bell tonight once I get that sorted. I think we also have some, let me see, there's some more information on the breakfast bar. I think that was a conversation between Mike and Martyn. We can have a look at that. So let's have a look at the markets. Let me know if there's anything you wanted me to look at specifically. I just saw Martyn's comment. How are you going to sort it? By killing the chicken? That made me laugh. Yeah, I don't know what I meant by that. I think we'd have to get some of them. I could software to use for the microphone to block out the rooster, or I think if that doesn't work, then I think we'd have to get rid of the chickens. Would be some dinner. Let's have a look at the markets. Okay, here we go. Coca-Cola is selling off just slightly. We are still up 1.88% for the day. And here goes SBC is moving up. Let's have a look on the smaller time frame, see what is going on. SBC is pumping right now. It is one of the best performers on my watch list. We were so close to that 150 level. We're just in this level of slight support. As Martyn showed, it's just been barcoding for a long while. This is such a tight range. 154 to 157 is not much going on. Even if you look at the 1 minute, there hasn't been a lot going on, but now we have got some upwards momentum, so let's see if that carries on. 150 is the level until we do break out and then go to $2. The double bottom is now invalid. We do have now a lower low. We had our all-time lows for SBC yesterday. I think we've got the comments of the roosters. Yes, we will have to sort them out. Craig found that funny. Martyn found that funny. Tiro, cybersecurity microcap INTZ. have a look at that. INTZ intrusion is up. What would you say about the chart? Let's have a look. If you are joining us for the opening bell, please do hit the like button. If you haven't already, do subscribe. We're so close to that 11,000 subscribers. It'll be great to get there. Do subscribe. If you are watching but you can't comment, that the reason is because it's members only. We do prioritize our members. They are what keeps the show running. Do become a member and you can ask me any questions you like, any charts. You get so much more than you put in. Money wise is a couple dollars a month. You can comment, you can ask me questions, you get perks, you get birthday celebration, you get so much. But at least for now you'd be able to comment and ask me any charts you want. People charge a lot of money for what I'm providing for free. So let's look at this chart that has been that TRL has requested. We are up 36% since open. There is not much resistance. This can run another. This must be news driven. This can run another 30%. Let's see if we have any intrusions. No, nothing I can see there. Let's have a look on a bigger time frame. Let's go to the 3-day. Okay, so this. Okay, so yeah, this has been around for a while, since 2000. So this was a .com stock that came out at that time. I don't know anything about the fundamentals of the stock, but we're just looking at the chart. Someone suggested this a bit further back. We would have seen that this is the main levels of support. You can see once in 2002 it came to this support, 2006. Then obviously all of 2008 it was stuck around here, popped up, came back at support at 2012, then we had 2017, 16, and now we're back at this level. So every time we've spent a bit of time, so I wouldn't be surprised if we spend around 6 months in this level, but it doesn't matter if you buy it now or in 6 months. You might as well buy it while it's in the support level, because it can pop up a fair amount. I mean, it's popped up 164%, then 600%, then 2,800%. This stock is then, wow, this time it actually went up 29,000%. So you hit this level of support and now you're up 34%. This can go higher, but I don't like FOMOing in, even though we just saw what the gains could be. If we do come back, spend some time here again, then that's the point for me to buy. But if you're in the stock, you can set your stop loss at break even, and you can ride it to around the first level, be about 65 cents. But yeah, it's a very volatile stock with big moves up and down. I wonder why it's such a volatile stock. But apart from that, I can't give you much. It's just the first level. You are at their level of support, and the next level is around. First is around 95, or then it's 60 cent or 95 cent, and then 172. This can run very fast, very quickly. So if you see profits, take them, or take some off the top. But we can have another look at it if you suggest another day and see where it is. SBC is still running. It's now up nearly 5% on the day. We are breaking through the level. Our target on SBC has been $2. We're looking to maybe take something off the top, or take a short at that level. Okay, thank you to Roll. Do let me know if there's any other questions from you guys. I will look into it. Let's see how many people we have with us today. We have, let me refresh this. We have 21 watching and 10 likes. Is that all we have? 10 likes. Okay, that's not doing very well. We're going to have to put some music on, and let's get some likes, please. We've got 20 watching and only 11 likes. I'd love to get some more likes. It would be great to see if you guys do support me. Please do hit the like button, do subscribe if you're watching. It means a lot. Let's have a look. Thank you everyone for liking. Please do that. Or dislike if you really don't like me. But do something. This is Bitcoin. We are breaking down more. We are now down 0.81%. On the weekly chart, it gives us a bit more information. It really is 25 cents. $25,000 is the next level. I don't think we're breaking anything. I don't think we're ever going to 28,000 before we go to 25,000. If you just take away all of my drawings, I go to the most simple indicator, which is this moving averages. I'm still slightly unwell, so do forgive me. The most simple indicator, which is this moving averages, you're above it, you're bullish, you're below it, you're bearish. So what we've done very clearly is come to it. We expected this. We expected to break down, come back to it, which we did. We expected when we were above here, we were saying we probably won't close above it. We're not telling bullish. And what happened is we then reject it. So this week it looks like we're rejecting this level, which does mean further downside is in place. I do still believe 15,000 is in the cards. That might sound crazy to a lot of people, but in my opinion, it is not that crazy. We can definitely see that happen. If that happens, Ethereum can go down 60-70%, XRP can go 50%, and altcoins can go down 80%. That is on the card. It doesn't mean it's the most likely scenario. It just means you need to be prepared for all outcomes. As you can see in prior runs, when you do break down below these levels, you do have sudden moves down. You broke up, you broke below it, you retested it, you came down. You were below it, and then finally you capitulated. You were above it, you tested it, you went above it. I'm not going to be bearish forever. I'm going to turn really bullish on crypto at some point, hopefully middle of next year, something like that, or Q1 of next year, Q2 of next year, something like that, where we break above the bull market support band, we test it, we go back up, we test it, and then in a matter of weeks is when you make 100x, 50x, 10x. You do that final test of the bull market support band and you just don't break it. You go all the way up until we do get a point where some news comes out or something, you capitulate, you break down, you're not in it, you then go back up, you retest it, and you're in for that final move up. And this was the complete top of Bitcoin for 2021. You then broke below, you tested it, that was your signal to get out, you broke down again, you had your final chance to get out, and then we've been in this bear market ever since. So I do like keeping an eye on this bull market support band. I do think we'll probably come down to levels, I can't show you, but around here. We'll be around between 20 and 15,000. I think we'll definitely revisit, and that's where we can get some good entries into altcoins and also Bitcoin. Let's see what is moving. SBC is at 161. Till rate's up 4% now at $2.12. We've then got Rivian up 4%. This is till rate on the weekly chart. We can see it's just been moving down. I do expect to probably move further down. Let's see if we've got any more comments from anyone. Oh, we've got Mark Korn, who's been a member for 19 months. That should play through in a second. Thank you so much for tuning in, Mark Korn, and congratulations on your 90 months. We'll celebrate that in a second. Good day, says Jason Fallon. Very nice to see you here, Jason Fallon. Welcome to the show. Zach Zate is here. Hello, everyone. Good morning, Sensei, Tesla, and SBC. Thank you for joining us, Zach Zate. We hope you are okay. If you have any family in Israel, we wish them well, and we wish that they are okay, and we hope everything is okay with you. Our prayers are with anyone, any innocent civilians affected. Martyn Lucas, SBC. Yes, SBC is popping. It's now up 5.8%. I got SBC at 554. Congratulations, Zach Zate. You are now up on your position. What is the bottom? Was it the bottom? So the lowest price for SBC yesterday was a 52-week low at. See if I've got that information. Should do. If I don't, I can just look at the chart, which tells us that the 52-week low, which is the all-time low of SBC, is 153, I think. Oh no, oh, you missed it by 1 cent. Yes. Jose, good morning. Welcome to you. Martin has told me you've renewed your gold membership. So what we want to say to you is thank you so much. The gold members, the silver members. I mean, all members contribute a lot, and that's how the stream goes. But the gold members are special. You keep the show really running. So thank you so much for renewing your subscription. Craig is here. Congratulations, Mark. Hey, Zach. Hope you're well. Morning. Yeah, sorry, Mark. I didn't hear it come through, but let's read it out. This is a super chat, or a super membership from Mark. He's been a member for 19 months. That's longer than me. The only honest YouTube channel on this platform. Thank you so much. It means a lot to Martin and also me, for people to say that. So congratulations. We have to give you the fireworks. 19 months. What a great. You have supported the channel for 19 months. That's brilliant. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mark Korn, for that. Mike, Sensei Crypto, what about SDY? We will have a look. Let me put that on. So that's the next chart we're going to look at. SDY, the S&P Dividend ETF. We'll have a look at that. Jose, congratulations and thank you for your gold membership support. Sorry for the delay, it won't happen again. No worries. Peace, no hate. Exactly. We want peace. Okay, this is SDY. This is suggested from Mike. I don't like it, sorry. This is a topping out structure. Sorry, my watch is going off. The reason I don't like it is when I initially look at it, this is a structure that I see is either a topping structure, or if it was, if the chart was inverted, this is what I'd say is a bottoming out structure. If the chart was this way, I'd be bullish, meaning that if it's the right way up, if we don't actually invert it, it's actually, in my humble opinion, I think it's bearish. There is levels you need to break for it to really be confirmed. Just sort of looking at this area here, if you break this area, which is the lows at 108, I do expect to very quickly be able to come down and drop another 10% in value. This would be where the first buy zone, which is the 2019 high. I do think dividend stocks are probably going to be hit hard because of the yields you can get in other areas. But yes, it has performed it's just been in an uptrend all the way from 2009 with no real downtrend apart from the COVID crash. This to me looks like a topping out structure. I think there's better opportunities in the market or individual stocks you can pick out from this ETF, but for me, I can't be too bearish because you haven't broken sort of the real resistance, but it might be, you could sort of start DCing out now. No financial advice on my part. It's just when I initially look at it, it just looks like a topping out structure. There are levels to break, but before I turn fully bearish, but it does not seem like something I would like to be getting into. This is a level to look at. I do suggest it maybe next week and we'll see where it is, if we've broken it and below it, if any action needs to be taken, but that's what I expect. Let's have a look at the comments. Jordan Allen, is Martin closing around? Is Martin dossing around in his boxes today then? Probably. Martyn Lucas Investor, any very happy to own this at this price. Let's have a look at any next era energy, that is. Thank you, Sensei, no worries. Mike, no, he's in his dressing gown, no tie on today. That's from Martin. Let's have a look at any. Yes, we did have a. This is one we saw suddenly capitulate. You see this? This structure here? This is what we just saw on that. Was it SP? What was it? What's the dividend one called? Mike just suggested. SDY. Very similar. You see this? Not doing much, just spending it sort of topping out, rounding top, a lot of chop, and then we look at NEE, and what did NEE do? It had not much going on, a lot of chopping around. It had that sort of, it's very hard to mark, but you can just see that there is some level of support. It's very, that's why I was talking about SDY. There's not really a level that you need to break, but there is a general area, which is what this rectangle represented, and what it did, it broke down, it retested, and it capitulated down. But as you can see now, it's at a more sensible level, where it can also have, it does have its next level at $33, but you've suddenly dropped down. You're at a level of support, not the strongest level of support yet, but you've definitely capitulated and hit a level of support. So those do slightly cancel out, meaning it is an area you can take a position, especially if you like the company. Then this is much better levels to get involved with the company at. So NE is still at that level. We're looking to hopefully get a bounce from these levels soon. SBC, I just saw another comment I missed from Martin saying, I'm running a 0.02 stop trail loss on SBC. Let's have a look at SBC. We'll go into the 5-minute candles and zoom in on SBCE. Here we go. We do have the momentum on SBC's side, and now we'll look at it go. Wow, yeah, Martin has taken another brilliant trade. He's got this profit and he's set a trailing stop loss. So what we see here is not, the barcoding has stopped. There was not, when it's barcoding like this, there's no momentum behind it, nothing going on, just sideways action. But then now we've got some momentum, we're heading up, we've broken this level here. We're no longer in the buy zone, we're in the area where sort of the next levels could be 166, 170, and then you're looking at that W structure we did look at, which is the double bottom is invalid, but that high is still valid at 184. So we'll see if we have enough momentum to hit 184, and if we break that, then we're at the $2 high risk area. So looking good. SBC is definitely the best performer on my watch list today. Unfortunately, I will have to sell all my trades. This is from Jose. I would say I'll have to sell all my trades. I need to buy a used car, but I'll bounce back and make my portfolio back. It's just been a bad week for me. I'm so sorry to hear that. It's obviously more important for you to buy what you need. It might not be such a bad thing. The markets might crash, so you never know. It's more important to, if you need the money, to take the money out of the stock market. It's much more risky having it in the stock market than having something physical that you need. So sorry, it's been a bad week. We wish you the best of luck. We will always be here as a family. If you ever do need anything, please do reach out to us and do comment. But good luck to you. And it might not be such a bad thing. You might come back next week and see the markets have crashed, and in fact you've now got yourself a physical asset, whereas your money could have been lost in the stock market. So wish you the best of luck. SBC is at 164. It has bounced back from this level of support. Let's see if the RSI can tell us anything extra. Let's see if we did have any bullish divergence we missed. Yeah, we did. So on the 4 hour, this is probably what's playing out right now, is if you look at this low here, we made a new lower low yesterday. However, the RSI didn't follow suit. It made a higher low. So you've got buyers coming in, your buyers are defending the level, and that's what seems to be playing out on the 4 hours. So we could take out the 171 level. If we look on the daily, see if there's anything. Yeah, so Yeah, it's not, you can't really see it on the daily. But what you can see on the daily is a bigger bullish divergence might be coming into existence. So you see low, lower low, and on the RSI, if I get that low, we've got a higher low. So I think this bullish divergence might be taking us to $2. We shall see how it plays out, but that's looking good. It looks like the sellers are exhausted. It looks like the buyers are coming in strong. We'll probably close the gap at 174, maybe even today. So we'll have a look at that. See how many of you are joining us today. Welcome everyone into the stream. This is the opening bell. We will also be doing the closing bell today. I will not be here on Wednesday. Just like last week, I won't be here on Wednesday, but we'll be back on Thursday. We'll be back on Friday. So tonight, do join me for the closing bell. That will happen at the normal time. We will look at how the S&P closes. That will give us the best indication of how we end the week. So we've got 18 likes and 21 people watching, so thank you all. There's still 3 people that haven't liked. I don't know who you 3 are, but please do like the stream. It helps a lot. We've been going 40 minutes. We'll probably finish the stream in about 20 minutes, so do let me know all the questions you do have so I can answer them before we do end the show. Let's see if anything else has caught our attention in the watch list. No. Amazon is up 0.8%. I'm not too bullish on that. PayPal's down 0.3%. Yeah, it's another green day in the markets. Surprising, very surprising. Let's see if there's anything to be brought to you, but on the news front. Nothing there. Let's have a look at the Financial Times, see if anything is catching our attention there. Israel bombards Gaza and readies troops at border. IDF says it's retrieved bodies of 1,500 Hamas fighters. So there is a big death toll, and the more concerning thing is the fact that we have 300,000 people been called up in the Israeli government to come, and it seems like they're all getting ready at the border. This could mean this probably does mean a lot of innocent people are going to die, but the more concerning thing would be if any other countries get involved. The Israeli military bombarded hundreds of targets in Gaza Strip and said it has secured its border with the enclave 3 days after the incursion by Hamas triggered the worst war on the country's territories for decades. Tens of thousands of Palestinians have fled for their home. We have seen that they said they're going to cut off water, food, electricity, everything from the Palestinian people, and for them to leave and vacate while they do bomb the area, which does mean a lot of innocent Palestinians will die, not just the Hamas fighters. It will be actual innocent people, which we don't like to see. Terrible what's going on here. Let's have a look at the comments. Can Tesla, Zach say asking, can Tesla go to $300 before earnings in 7 days? No. I don't think so. We'll have a look. What else? The other comment? Can we also request fundamental analysis? Yeah, sure. Maybe in the closing bell. I have to. Are you in SBC up 8% today? I am in an SBC. Yes, but I don't have a massive position. I will vote yes. Let's see what everyone votes. That was a poll done by Martyn. Can we request? It depends on what. If it's something I'm a bit knowledgeable about, then sure. If it's something completely random, then I won't be the best person to ask. Let's have a look at Tesla. Can it hit $300? I don't think so. The reason I say not, because I think Tesla has been putting in these lower highs. And I don't think we're going to go above the last high, which was $280, and certainly not above the $300 high. So I do think we're going to start stalling out on Tesla. It might just be a double top if we do hit the 300, but for now my base case is we don't take out 280, but if we do take out 280, it'll be a double top, exactly where we topped out last earnings, I think it was, at $300. So unless the market really does go crazy, which I don't expect it to do, I think 300 will definitely, we won't go above 300 in my opinion. Tesla I still think is definitely coming down to $200. Let's have a look at the cryptocurrency market. I think there's a fly somewhere. Okay, so Bitcoin is down on 25. Let's see, the best gainers in the crypto market is Tezos, Clay, Rune, Atom. They're all up 2%. Bitcoin SV is even up 1.7%. The biggest losers: Polygon, DYDX, Curve, Quant. And over 7 days, the biggest winners are Trust Wallet Token, Monero, Clay, Avalanche, Render, and the biggest losers are Rune, Gala, Bitcoin SV, Scam. Well, it's not. Well, I won't say it's a scam. I just hate it. I don't see any use for Bitcoin SV. It's not for me. Craig Wright is not Satoshi Nakamoto. That has been proven in court. Okay, let's see if there's any more comments coming through. Just sold SBCE, made 7% profit. Congratulations to Martyn. Not the market. Congratulations to market and Martyn. 7% profit. That is brilliant. Let's have a look at SBC. See how that has happened. SBCE. There it is. SBC up 9.8%. The sell has gone through. Martyn has made the profit. What we're looking for now is probably regaining the 174 level. Let's have a look at this on the 5-minute time frame. Look at SBCE go. 7% profit. Let's see where that's from. It was bought at the open today, so congratulations to Martyn. We can still see a bit of upside, 1.74 maybe, and then we're looking for that $2 region. Bullish divergence is playing out. We are now oversold on only the 5-minute time frame, so that's not too important. Wow, my portfolio is up 5% overall. This is it. This is what we've been saying. Defensive. Lower your low risk, trade out of your low risk when there's pops, make some money, put it in the dividend stocks, and Martyn is now up 5%, which is great. Coca-Cola is now up 2.21%. Holding this level is great to see. SBC is up 10%. Wow, if this keeps on, here we go. This is bullish divergence coming into play. We're at the first level of resistance. We're looking to break this. We're coming up to that gap close of at 174, which we've wanted to see close. This is what I'm talking about. If no one can see it, this is what I believe should be, that needs to be closed. Let me see if I can get a highlighter here. There's a gap, so we gapped down on the open. This is what we're looking to get closed around here. So that is probably coming next. Bullish divergence we just identified on SBCE. We did get stopped out yesterday by a couple cents. Well, it depends how people take the trade. If they want to take on more risk and a few extra cents, then you're still in the trade. If not, you're out the trade. However, this has always been an area to DCA. And now it looks like we're popping. We just do need to start breaking this area, and then we can get to 174, and then the first target is 185, and then $2 is the almighty target, which a short can be taken. NEE is up. Martyn has just let us know. Let's have a quick look at Next Era Energy. There it is. There goes NEE. It was at its level. We were expecting a move. Took a day longer than expected, but here we go. NE is up 2.45%. It's breaking out from this level. It's just closed that gap, so let's hope it just continues up and it wasn't just a quick gap fill. 50.52. Markets are moving up. Here goes Rocket Lab. Here goes Rocket Lab. This is what one we were buying down here. It looks like a gap fill. 502 would be the level to sell, to just fill in that gap. And once again, gap fills normally get filled, and they could also reverse after they're filled. This is the gap that was created, and we're expecting the gap to be filled around the $5 mark, approaching that very quickly, 5.54% up. We just got a comment from Martyn, I'll bring it up. It says, say hi to Rumble. We will do. I'm so green and it gets me confused. Holding is their name. Virgin Galactic Holdings. Yes, good luck to you. Please do hit the like button if you are here. SBC is up 10.13%. Hello to anyone on Rumble. Welcome to the stream. We love our Rumblers. Welcome. End phase setting. Trailing sell. Let's have a look at end phase. Here we go with end phase. Wow, some great trades. Here we go. This is the level we've been looking at support wise, and now from that, just that level, let me just go to the right screen, and this is the support we've been looking at, and end phase is now up 10% from that support. It's up 5% today. There we go. Looking like a great day is shaping up. Okay. If you do a super chat, it does support the stream. It does get read out as well, and we'll make it a priority and spend extra time analyzing it. So that is always an option. Here we go. Let's see if there is anything else popping up. Fiverr is up 5%. J&J is not moving that much, but once again, J&J is looking. It's just nothing too special. Still above the support, but once again, is this a rounding top? Maybe. Microsoft is down slightly. This is what I've been saying. Microsoft, Apple, Google sold out of, not interested. Even Amazon, but that's up at nearly 1%, but not interested right now. They've had their time. They popped up. Now it's time for the others to catch up. Let's see if the crypto markets are moving as well. You can even look at the world famous crypto bubbles as well. But Bitcoin right now is now moving up. It's now only down 0.4%. But as I've been saying, the crypto market is lagging behind. Let's have a look at the bubbles. This is the daily bubbles. FTT, FTX token is down. I don't know how that's still trading and how it's still in the top 100. But there we go. That's down 6.4%. Radix is down 12%. Pulse Chain is up 8.7%. Some random coins, they just bounce all over the place. Let's see if there's any quality within this. Atom up 2.5%, Litecoin down 0.5%, Matic down 2.5%, Bitcoin SV up 2%, XRP down 1 point. Let's bring that in. XRP down 1.1%. This was Atom up 2.5%. Nothing too special. Let's have a look on the week. Yeah, just the sea of red. And if you look on the month, nothing too special. When you look in the year, nothing's really up apart from some random coins. Okay, let's have a look at the comments again. If you're with us, please hit the like button. Here we go. Martyn is in the comments saying back above $52,000. So his portfolio is now back above 52,000. We did see it break the 50,000 mark. I think we even hit 49,000. So that's big gain once going to defensive and taking some trades. Congratulations, Martyn. This is wild today. I'm taking profits on all Groff tax-free trades. That is not a bad idea before a war pullback. I'm sure will come. I do also believe that this is a bit crazy, seeing all of these gains when we're on the brink of another Middle Eastern war. If this war breaks out, if other countries get involved, remember China will take this opportunity and try and take Taiwan. Russia would also take this opportunity to up its attack. And this is the S&P at its highest level since Thursday, 21st of September. Let me remind you, nothing drastic happened on that day. Let me remind you, there wasn't we were on the brink of another war on the 21st of September, and it seems like we're breaking that. Next level, again, as I've said, is this gap fill. We're looking to come up to that 4,400. That could be the absolute top for the S&P, and then we're expected to come down. This is probably just because we were oversold, as we identified on the RSI. At this time, I did also identify, I came on the show and said, this is a parallel channel we're looking at, but because we've broken down, the next day we didn't get any follow through, we broke back up. That is normally a bullish signal. That means the sellers brought it down, However, the buyers defended the level very quickly, and we're coming back up. The target is the heart line of the channel around 45,000, but the issue is the geopolitical issues, which I don't think will allow us to get back up there, but we will have a look day by day and we'll keep you updated. We're coming up to the end of the show, so do join us for the closing bell tonight, where we're going to definitely have a look at SBC and how that's closing, how that will be closing tonight. That will be important, and let's see if the S&P close above this level. In that case, will be bullish until we take out 4,400 and also 4,500. But thank you all for joining. That's the wrong one. Let's put the ending music on. Thank you everyone for joining us on Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. He is on holiday. I am just doing the streams for a short while for you guys. Oh, that was the opening bell. What a day. It seems like we're up. SBC is continuing to fly. 11%. Are we going to get that gap fill? Probably will at remembered 174 as a level. Till rate is up 6% today. Rocket Labs is up 6%. We're looking for a sell at $5 for Rocket Lab. Rivian is up 5%. Fiverr is now also up 5%. SBC is just continuing to go up. What a day in the stock market. Everything is up apart from the ones that Martyn sold: Apple, Netflix, Microsoft, Google. I guess Amazon's up 0.5%, but who wants to really be holding Amazon when there's all the other opportunity? Sensei, thank you. Let me see what that comments are. SBC close to a short squeeze indeed. The real short squeeze will come if we break $2 with volume. That will be. Sensei, think you need to do some community playback and stay on longer. Do some community payback. Don't know what you mean, Jordan, but I am here for the community indeed. The political situation helped SBC to get away from. Thank you, Zach8, for your comment. 0.3 ISGs, 0.3 cents to go. Yes, until the short squeeze territory. Yeah, exactly. Let's see. Yeah, we're at 1.7. Okay. Before everyone goes, please do hit the like button. Sensei equals green. That means I come on the show, I'm green. Yes, we should kick Martyn out the show and everyone's portfolios will be green. 12% where it's moving now. Yes, it is. Okay, thanks for joining me. See you in the closing bell. Take care of yourselves, each other. Most important, take care of your crypto, your money, your stocks, and most importantly, each other. See you guys later. Thank you for joining.